In this question, we have to write the names and structures of the monomers present in the given polymers. The first one is bakelite. Bakelite is one of the earliest synthetic polymer and this is a type of thermosetting plastic. This is formed from the polymerization of phenol and formaldehyde under heat and pressure. The resulting polymer is a cross-linked network of phenolic units. It is known for its hardness, heat resistance, and electric insulating properties, and bakelite is also resistant to chemicals and has a high mechanical strength. So here from this equation we can see phenol and formaldehyde combines together to produce orthohydroxymethylphenol. This orthohydroxymethylphenol and parahydroxymethylphenol again undergo polymerization and they will produce the cross-linked polymer that is bakelite. The second one is given as neoprene. This is a type of synthetic rubber produced by the polymerization of chloroprene. Neoprene consists of polymer chains with alternating carbon-carbon double bonds and chlorine atoms. The polymerization creates a material with a high degree of cross-linking. Chloroprene is also known as 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. It is valued for its flexibility, durability, and resistance to oil, water, and temperature extremes. Neoprene also has good abrasion resistance and maintains its properties over a wide range of temperature. So for the first one you will get 1 mark and for the second one you will get another 1 mark. So the total marks will be 2.